Hey, tech enthusiasts! If you're looking for a powerhouse that won't take up too much space, let's dive into the mini PC featuring the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS and Ryzen 7740HS. Compact yet insanely powerful, this little beast is perfect for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants top-tier performance without the bulk of a traditional desktop. First off, let's talk about the heart of this system: the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS and Ryzen 7740HS processors. Both chips are based on AMD's latest Zen 4 architecture with a 4nm process, offering 8 cores and 16 threads, perfect for multitasking and heavy workloads. The Ryzen 9 7940HS can boost up to 5.2 GHz, while the Ryzen 7740HS maxes out at 5.1 GHz. This means ultra-fast performance for everything from gaming to video editing. And don't forget, these processors have the new Radeon 780M GPU built in, based on AMD's RDNA 3 architecture, giving you impressive graphics performance without needing a dedicated GPU for everyday gaming or creative tasks. Now, for memory. This mini PC supports up to 64 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM, which is perfect for intensive applications, gaming, or content creation. You'll notice super fast load times, seamless multitasking, and high efficiency with DDR5 running at speeds of up to 5600 MHz. For storage, you're looking at M.2 NVMe SSDs, offering super fast read and write speeds, up to 2 TB in some models, meaning blazing fast boot times and quick file transfers. Whether you're gaming, working, or editing, this system won't slow you down. Connectivity? This mini PC has you covered with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and stable connections, even with multiple devices connected. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working remotely, you'll experience low latency and high speed. In terms of ports, you get USB 3.2 for fast data transfer, USB-C for future-proof connectivity, and HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort for multi-display setups. Some models even support triple display outputs, perfect for immersive workstations or gaming setups. And don't worry about overheating. The advanced cooling system with heat pipes and a quiet fan keeps this mini PC running smoothly, even during long gaming sessions or intense workloads. All of this comes in a compact form factor, making it ideal for tight spaces or portable use. It's a true space saver and can be mounted behind your monitor with VESA compatibility. Out of the box, the system comes with Windows 11 or Linux, depending on your needs. It's ready for anything: gaming, media streaming, content creation, or productivity. So, whether you're an esports gamer, a video editor, or someone who just needs raw power in a small package, the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS mini PC has you covered. Compact, powerful, and efficient, it's the future of PC gaming and productivity. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.